Welcome to this demo video of VidFortune AI. While most tools help you create videos, VidFortune helps you profit from them and right from your very first click. So let me show you why this is exactly not another video tool. It's a full-blown YouTube and traffic system. So to begin with, we have three modes: Quick, Professional, and Advanced. With Quick mode, you can create a complete video in just 60 seconds just by clicking few buttons. It'll select everything: your niche, title, topics, script, create video, add CTAs, do SEO, and all. With the Professional, you'll have a little more customization, and with Advanced mode, you can tweak every single detail, add your branding, add your website link, and tons more. We are going to select Advanced so I can show you all of the features. Okay, let me select Advanced, click on Create, and here we can select name of the video. Let's name the project as My Video. Let's keep it simple for this one. Here you can select from our already researched high CPM niches from finance, investing, insurance, legal services, online business, health, and way more. Then again, if you select a topic, let's say loans and credit cards, so it'll generate subtopics for you. So these are all the subtopics that you can select. Let's say I want to select personal loans for bad credit. And the next is we need to select the type of script we want. Let's say we want curiosity-driven titles. Now AI will go and suggest topics that will get clicks that are highly engaging. You don't need to brainstorm, and it'll suggest 10+ hot, traffic pulling topics that are proven to attract views, engagement, and earnings. So let's see what we got. Oh, so these are really great topics, which already has long tail keywords built in so you can rank in those keywords and start getting traffic as soon as you want. Let's use this: what banks don't want to know about bad credit personal loans. So what kind of script do you want? Let's say persuasive, and here you can go and you select your language. It's perfect for targeting international traffic and boost your profits in other countries as well. You can select video resolution 720p 1080p 2K. Here you can generate AI, you can use AI generated images, or you can use our database of 50 million plus stock images. Let's use AI generated image here, and we already choose advanced mode. Click on next. Here we can pick from over 50 proven templates across various niches. Whether you are in finance, fitness, crypto, we have got ready-made templates to fit your content. These are beautiful templates. We spent months creating them and they work really great. So for this video, I'm going to select this template, going to click on next, and here our AI will go and it will generate script for your topic, for your title. And the script is structured for watch time, click-through rate, and higher retention so that the algorithm doesn't ignore you. So you'll have more chances of going viral and people find you in their feeds. So it creates 3 different stories with an opening hook, with the entire slides, and with a CTA as well, where you can add your links. Okay, so I'm going to select this story. Okay, I like this one better. Okay, I'm going to click on next, and here the AI is now generating the images for our slides. It's going to take a few minutes, and then we are going to check it. So you can see that our video is complete with an opening hook, with all the slides, with images, AI generated images that really matches what's written on each of these slides. And it's a very high converting and structured to get high view retention from your viewers. And then there is a closing statement. Then you can go and add your CTA as well. So let me show you some of the features, some of the options you can use. So here, if you want to upload your own background music, you can use that, or you can use one of our preloaded mesmerizing music tracks. Okay, you can select the language as well for the voice. Okay, so this is for the voiceover. I want to select Andrew.
This is sample voice generated from this voice.
This, yes, you can select. Now text. So now what happens, like for this slide, if you want to change this, if you don't like this, you can go and add your own CTA, or you can change the CTA from go to your own website as well. Okay, you can go and change the font. You can change the text heading, text color content, text color, all these colors, heading, text, dot. This is all customizable. You can also go and change images. You can go and change these background images as well. From here, you can find an image from our 50 million plus stock image database, or you can even upload custom images. It's really simple. I just click on it and it's changed. Okay, Next thing you can do can generate an AI image as well. And then you can use your own branding. You can add an intro or outro, or you can add a logo as well. Let me add a logo, right top logo. And now if you want to change these images, you can change them as well. Bad credit loans, let's say. Image of couple sad, unpaid bills everywhere. It will then generate an AI image that you can use in this slide. Okay, you can see they have created some really amazing images. Let's like this one, and it's changed. Okay, so you see you can go and customize every single thing in there. Now, next thing we want to do is just go and click on next, and our video will be generated in a few minutes, and then you can go and optimize it for SEO. So meanwhile, the video is rendering and processing. Let's go and generate the SEO optimization for it. Just go to projects, all your videos will be here. You can click on SEO and then it will generate a title for you, description for you, tags and hashtags for you that you can just copy and paste into your YouTube. So it generated title, it generated description, it has all the tags that you can put directly in YouTube, and these are all the hashtags that you can use. You can also add your links in here, and all these already have long tail keywords built in, so you are good to go. So that's it, and this is how you create a video from niche selection to monetize video in less than 10 minutes. No editing, no camera, no burnout, just results fast. So make sure you go and grab your founder's deal, and I am going to add the video that we created so you can check it out how it is. And thank you so much.
Discover the secrets banks don't disclose about bad credit loans. Are you stuck in a cycle of bad credit and feel like there's no way out? It's time to reveal the truth that banks won't tell you. The reality of bad credit. Banks often exaggerate the risks of bad credit loans. These loans aren't inherently bad. They're designed to offer a second chance to rebuild your financial standing. High interest myths. Banks claim all bad credit loans have high rates. However, with thorough research, you can find competitive rates that won't break the bank, even with a low credit score. Fees and hidden charges. Banks may warn of hidden fees, but many lenders offer transparent terms. Always read the fine print and ask questions to ensure there are no surprises down the line. Credit score impact. Contrary to what banks say, responsibly managing a bad credit loan can improve your credit score. Timely payments reflect positively on your credit report. Approval odds. Take control today. Don't let bank narratives dictate your financial future. Explore your options, ask questions, and consider bad credit loans as a viable tool for financial recovery and growth.